G'day everybody, Coach M here. April, not April Fools. Yes, it may be the 1st of April. And this is not a joke. This is a serious thing, decision making. I'm so passionate about this topic because I feel that still I see time and time again where decisions are just made for somebody instead of actually empowering decision making in somebody else. As a manager leader, you get your time back when you can empower decisions in others, help them be more accountable, take more ownership over their projects, over their outcomes, and you get your time back as a leader if you can empower this. So one of my favorite micro decision-making tools is to simply ask yourself these 3 quick questions, or the person that you're working with. What is the best case scenario? What is the worst case scenario? And then this is where there's real value. What is the most likely case scenario? Obviously, the next follow-up question is simply, after weighing up those micro moments, those options, what are you going to do? What can you take action on, and by when? Okay, so enjoy the decision-making micro tool for this month. Give it a go. And the coach reflection question for better decisions is, how do you ensure that your decisions align with both your head and your heart? The answer there definitely lies in one of those coaching tools. Most likely taps into the gut. Okay, those of you who already know me, that is our decision alignment tool as well. But that's a nice quick one for this month. So remember, the ball's in your court. Take action. I'll leave that one in. I won't even retake it because I'm always trying to get a laugh as well. And remember, the way you lead and the way you make decisions, others will be able to see that and feel that. Sometimes when I have a decision to make as well, I ask others to come in and they can watch through my decision-making process. So I'm leading by example there as well. Any way you can to empower decision-making and enjoy your coaching.